In a world driven by innovation, where every idea holds the potential to change the game, one crucial factor remains constant: the backbone of innovations, electronic components. From a mobile charger used every day in our lives to life-saving medical equipment, an electronic component has played a very important role for a long time. In the rapidly evolving landscape of technology, one company stands out as a beacon of excellence. Welcome to DDS International, Edzeal, a trailblazer in the realm of electronic components distribution. Founded in 2009 by Mr. Diwan Chand Sachdeva, chairman, and his elder son, Mr. Ashish Sachdeva, the director, the visionary entrepreneurs who saw an opportunity in the market and seized it with both hands. As the legacy of Mr. Diwan and Mr. Ashish continues to thrive, a new chapter unfolds as the younger son, Mr. Chiranjeev Sachdeva, the vice president, also joins the family business. Our company has established a legacy of excellence that forms the bedrock of our success. At DDS International, we specialize in an extensive array of products, ranging from capacitors and tactile switches to rocker switches, slider switches, glass fuses, fuse holders, potentiometers, pin headers, and connectors. Our diverse product line caters to various industries, empowering manufacturers to craft dependable appliances such as inverters, SMPS, toys, audio devices, lighting, mobile chargers, data cables, electrical appliances, and many more. Our dedication to passion for excellence has earned us the trust of clients. From small businesses to multinational corporations, our products power the infrastructure of tomorrow. We take immense pride in our brand, Edzeal, which has become synonymous with outstanding quality and competitive pricing. Our dedication to excellence transcends products, encompassing unparalleled customer service and support. With DDS International, you can rest assured that your manufacturing needs are in capable hands. Behind every successful delivery is a team of dedicated professionals at DDS International. Our experienced staff is equipped with the knowledge and skills to meet your electronic component needs precisely and efficiently. We understand the importance of efficiency and accuracy in the supply chain. That's why we've invested heavily in cutting-edge warehouse facilities, equipped with state-of-the-art technology to ensure seamless operations. With a global network of distribution centers, we can meet the needs of our clients wherever they may be, providing timely delivery and exceptional service. At DDS International, we envision revolutionizing the landscape of the B2B electronics industry in India through our brand Edzeal. Our vision is to emerge as the foremost provider of high-quality, affordable electronics components and manufacturing solutions, setting new standards of excellence and reliability. In an ever-evolving technological landscape, DDS International remains steadfast. We consistently invest in research and development to anticipate market trends and innovate our product offerings. Our relentless pursuit of excellence drives us to exceed expectations and set new standards in the industry. Join us on our journey as we continue to redefine the possibilities. Experience the DDS International difference, where quality meets innovation and reliability is our promise. We are DDS International, where innovation meets reliability.